our nomenclature compromise with your talk culture. Pretend that I'm into sci-fi and you're afraid to see other guys. All that's just been one non-event, and every day's an increment. But you restore my sanity, so won't you come and sit with me now? Thank you.
That went well.